You're welcome to this particular video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a course on the Use Allies platform. The first thing that you want to do is to log into your account. I've already done that. I'll just navigate to my dashboard. Once I navigate to my dashboard, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on courses. So this is the page where I'm going to see all of the courses that I've created. So for me to create a new course, I'll just click on this create course icon here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to create my course. So let's call this one how to create a course. So I'll say how to create a course. So this is my course title. I will go over here and select any category. There are several categories that you will see here. Let me just select design for mine. So here you add a short description for your course, for the course that you want to create. Right here, I'm going to say, this will show you how to create a course title, right? Then over here, you can add your long description. So your long description is what the users are going to see when they're trying to enroll for your course. So let me write, this is a demo long description. So right here, you want to write about the course outline, the course content, and any other amazing thing that a user will read before they access your course. So once I've done this, the next thing I want to do right now is to click on create course. I've successfully created my course, right? So let me minimize the sidebar. So this is the course I've just created. So the next thing I want to do right now is to add like a cover image for the course. So I'll come over here, I'll add on cover image. So I'll click on my cover image. So we have our cover image uploaded. So that is it. So the next thing you want to do is to set up your pricing. So right here in the Use Allies platform, we have two types of pricing. We have the self-paced course and we have the cohort-based course. So the cohort-based course is when you actually want to manage several courses coming up, right? So, but for now, let me assume that we just want to host in self-paced course. So I'm just going to turn this one on. So right here, the platform makes use of a base currency. So let me assume now that I want to sell my course for $10. Right, so I'll just type $10 here. So all I just need to do is to enter the dollars. The platform is smart enough to be able to know the Naira equivalents, right? So right here now, also what I want to do right here is to add a discount amount. So the discount amount should be less than this. So I'll come over here and I'll type $8. So $8, this simply means that this course will be bought for $8 instead of $10. So once I do this, in order for this discount to take effect, I need to add a date in the future. So right now, let me set a date in the future like this and I'll click on save. So the moment I click on save, I have my course ready to publish. But one more thing will I do before I publish my course. I'll go to content and I'll try to add all of the content of my course. So the first module I'm going to add, let's call it introduction. So I'll say introduction and I'll click on add right here. So this is going to add introduction for me, right? Then over here, I should be able to add several lessons. So for me to add a lesson, I click on add a lesson here. You can either embed a video from YouTube, Vimeo, Wisha, anywhere, or you can upload a video from your laptop that you've already recorded. So for me now, I just want to embed a random YouTube video. So I just copy a random YouTube video. I'm going to embed this as part of my lesson. So right here, I'm going to include the lesson title, right? So let's call this one intro. And some description of my lesson here. So this is what the user is going to see while they are watching this particular video. All right, I'm going to click on add lesson. So the moment I click on add lesson, I'll successfully add my lesson. So you can add more than one lesson and you can always rearrange them. So once you're done adding your course content, all you need to do right now is to click on this green icon here saying publish to make your course go live. So I'm going to click on publish course. So the moment I click on publish course, I'm going to say congratulations, your course is now live. So the moment my course is now live, the next thing I want to do now is to actually view this particular course. So to get the link for my course, I will see self-paced and cohort-based. So if I click here, I can basically just copy it, right? So cohort, as I said, is when you have course that's course based on batch or based on cohort. So let me click on self-paced. So the moment I click on self-paced link, so right here, you're going to see the course you just created. So your content is going to appear here. The longer description that you type is going to appear, right? The small description is going to appear here. Then this is your price. Right, so you can easily switch from dollars to Naira here, and you see that the platform will do the conversion for you. But in a situation where you want to sell a specific amount in Naira, let's go back and set that. So let's say you want to sell it at a specific amount in Naira and not in dollars. All you just need to do inside here, this could be $10, while in Naira, you can choose to sell it for 5,000 Naira. So all you just need to do is enter the dollar equivalent and also enter the Naira equivalent. The platform is smart enough to actually do the conversion for you. So this is 5,000 Naira, 4,000 Naira for the discount price. So let's save this now. So let's come over here and refresh. So I'll refresh this. So the moment I refresh this now, you could see that in Naira is 4,000, while 5,000 Naira is the slashed price. Then I can switch back to dollars, and I can say $10, while $8 in selling price. And that is because now I'm not allowing the platform to do the conversion for me. This is me stating the exact amount in Naira that I want to sell this particular course, right? So if I don't want discount anymore, all I just need to do is to backdate this. So if I backdate this to a situation where this discount is already expired, right? People will not be able to get it for the discount price anymore. So let me see if I reload. You could see that the discount price is no longer there. So that is how you can sell your course using a discount and also not using a discount. Another thing again, you can add a trailer video to your course page so that potential students can see those trailer video and buy that particular course. All you just need to do is to copy your YouTube link or anywhere or Vimeo link and just basically paste it here and click on save. So once you click on save, this becomes your trailer video. So if you have your trailer video set up, instead of the course image here, once we refresh this, what is going to show will be the trailer video in place of that particular course image. But if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to see your course image here. There's one other thing again that you can still do. Another thing again that you can still do is to scroll down here. If you don't want to display your course outline, let's say the way you have your course outline here, it ought to be displayed to the public so that potential users are not going to see your course outline. All you just need to do is to come over here and say display course outline. You can toggle this off and click on save changes. So once you click on save changes, if I come over here and refresh as well, and I scroll down, you will see that users cannot see that particular course outline anymore. There's another thing that you can still do. Another thing again that you can still do is to allow users to join a free community that you created. So let me assume now that I have a WhatsApp group and I want users that just window shopping should be able to join my WhatsApp group even while you're trying to enroll. So I see free group, I see paid group here. So under the free group, I paste this particular, the group invite link here, the WhatsApp group invite link here, and I click on save. Now this link will be a link to your Telegram channel, a link to your WhatsApp group, a link to your Discord channel, anywhere that you have your community. Then once I come over here and I refresh right now, so the platform now knows that you have a free group that potential students can actually enroll for or join. So it will display a button that says join community group. Or right here, it's also display another text said not ready to enroll now. Click here to join course community group for free. So that is because it's a free group, right? So if you have a paid group too as well, whereby this paid group now is a private support group where students have already enrolled for your course will be able to join. So you could add that there and click on save. Now, but if you don't want this particular feature, just leave this field empty, click on save, and this would basically just like disappear. So you don't need that. It's not compulsory for you to add that actually. And this is how you list your course on the User Allies platform and you're ready to actually start selling your courses on the User Allies platform. Thank you so much for watching this particular video.